Hey founders, it's Aziz here and I'm excited to share with you some powerful updates we have just added to StarterPilot. Whether you are a solo founder, an indie hacker, or just exploring something new, in this tutorial we will show you everything to go from an idea to a live website in minutes. Let's jump right in. So first thing to do, we will access our account. In this tutorial, we will use the same app description that we used in the previous video so we can compare the results. So we will say that we want to create an app that uses AI to generate weekly meal plans based on our fitness goals. So let's start. The first step, it will be the validation. StarterPilot will share with us the analysis results. Here we can see the market demand, the feasibility, the scalability. Also, it will share some of our competitors. Then the next step, it will be the name. By default, StarterPilot will generate for us some names that it think it could fit to our business. If you want to change or adjust the name, you can ask in the chat. If you have already a name, you can add it directly here. So in this tutorial, we will use the same name that we used in the previous video, which is Fit Pro Eats. We will click add. Then StarterPilot will share with us the domain availability. Of course, this one is already registered because we used it in the previous video. Also, it will share the social media availability. Then the next step, we will add our business logo. One of the features that we added in this version that you can now upload your own logo if you have one. It was requested by many users. But if you don't have one, you can generate with AI. So by default, you will see the business name already filled here. You can choose the style. For example, I will leave it with creative. Here you have the primary color, the background. For this tutorial, I will use, for example, black. Here we have a small description how our logo will look like. Of course, you can adjust it, but for this tutorial, I will keep it like it is. I will click generate. It will take some seconds. Here the result of our logo. Of course, you can generate a new one if you don't like it, but I will select this one. Now StarterPilot will give you the possibility to adjust your logo. So you can change the size, for example, here the border, and even the background color. Once you are done, you can save it. And the next step will be to generate our landing page. Here we have some templates. You can preview and pick one of them, or you generate it 100% using AI. The new update in this version that we give you the flexibility to choose between the features that you want to include in your landing page. So here you have all the sections like the navigation bar, the hero section, the benefits, the features, the pricing, etc. In this tutorial, we will choose all of them. Now you can see the results. StarterPilot generated the full landing page for us. By the way, the colors used in this landing page, it was inspired by the logo. So the background color and the primary color, okay? So let's say we want to support the light mode. I will just say I want to support the light mode as well. It just took a few seconds to apply the updates. We can see here that we have the light mode as well. And one of the features that we have in the StarterPilot, your landing page will include automatically a waitlist and a contact form. Let's try it. So this is just an example. Now the last step, it will be the launchpad. Here an overview about your business. In addition, check the waitlist and the messages that you received. Now we will see how you can get some visibility from StarterPilot. You can publish your app on the map by simply choosing a location. For example, I will choose Germany. You can select the location, and now your app is live. To see this, you can just go to the starter map, and here you will see all the live applications around the world. Here we can see our app that we just published right now. It's Fit Pro Eats. You can click on it and you will see your logo, your name, and the upvotes. Here people can upvote on your project and check your website. That's all for this tutorial. Hope you enjoyed it and hope you saw how easy it is to go from an idea to a live website in minutes. See you next time. Bye!